Hello friends, welcome to my Nonjil Chemistry YouTube channel. I am John Wensley. Today I am going to explain boron halides and Lewis acid strength in P block. Boron halide, that is BX3, it contains 6 electrons, that is 3 from boron atom and 3 from each fluorine atom. Hence it is an electron deficient compounds. It not obeys octet configuration. It acts as Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid mean? Accept a pair of electron from other compounds. Boron halides, that is BF3, BCl3, PBr3, Pi3. Here 2p overlap, that is 2p orbital of boron and 2p orbital of fluorine. Here 2p 3p. Here 2p 4p. Here 2p 5p. In BF3 it is similar orbitals. Okay, that is boron, it undergo 2p orbital, boron fluorine, that is 2p. Here 2p is at orbital. So in BF3 similar orbital, that is 2p orbital, the extent of overlapping is high. In which compound? BF3. Why the extent of overlapping is high? Because similar orbital. If similar orbital take part in bonding, that is the overlapping is high. Hence back bonding character increases. Among these 4 back bonding characteristics increases in this BF3, back bonding character. So the order of back bonding character: BF3 greater than BCl3 greater than PBr3, boron tribromide greater than Bi3. So among the boron trihalide, BF3 has more back bonding character. So in this boron trifluoride, fluorine donate a pair of electron to the central atom. So this central atom, the double bond character is there. Double bond character. Each boron, any one of the boron has double bond character. Due to back bonding, its Lewis acidic character is low. So as the back bonding character increases, back bonding character and Lewis acidity inversely proportional. That is, the back bonding character increases, Lewis acidity decreases. So the Lewis acidity order BF3 less than BCl3 less than BR3 less than Bi3. So the back bonding character is more in boron trifluoride, but the acidic character is more in Bi3. That is neat point of view. That is neat as well as J. Is note it. It is very important. In BF3, due to back bonding character, P-pi overlap. P-pi overlap takes place. That is P-pi interaction. In BF3, boron has sp2 hybridization. How it is mean? Boron 2 electron, fluorine 1 electron, 2s to 2p1. So one electron shifted to 2pz orbital. So the structure is here 1 1. So the hybridization is sp2 hybridization. So one vacant orbital is there. In boron, one vacant orbital is there. So this vacant orbital of boron, that is 2pz, accept electron from 2pz orbital of any one of the fluorine atom. That is, the 2pz orbital of boron is vacant. It accepts one electron from 2pz orbital of fluorine of any one of the hence it is act as Lewis, hence its Lewis acidity is low. How the Lewis acidity, why the Lewis acidity is very low in boron trifluoride mean, here it is back bonding character. So this 2pz sp2 hybridized orbital of boron, here the vacant orbital is 2pz orbital. So the 2pz orbital of boron accept electron from 2pz orbital of fluorine. So here it not accept electron from any other compound. It will accept the electron from the own compound, that is fluorine. Hence the acidic character is Lewis acidity is very low in BF3. Also we think the bond order of BF3 is 1. Is it correct? The bond order of BF3 is 1. Is it correct? No. Why? Due to back bonding character, fluorine is high electronegative. So due to high electronegativity of the fluorine, the lone pair of electron is delocalized, that is in between, by resonance in any one of the boron fluorine atom. So the bond order is 1.33. So in many competitive exam they asked this question, that is, what is the bond order of BF3? That is not it is 1, it is 1.33. Expected one is 1. Okay, so how the 1.33 is come means it is 1 by 3. That is equal to 1 plus, it's a double bond character, 0.33. That is equal to 1.33. I will repeat once again. So what are the main points in the boron trihalides, that is boron halide and Lewis acidity mean? The first point is back bonding character. So the back bonding character order BF3, BCl3, PBr3, PI3. Why BF3 has high back bonding, PI3 low back bonding. So BF3 high back bonding mean that is it contains similar orbitals, that is 2p orbital. If similar orbital mean the extent of overlapping is high. So the extent of overlapping is high, back bonding character is also high. That is the first point. Then the second point, is there any relationship between back bonding character and Lewis acidity? As the back bonding character increases, Lewis acidity decreases. That is, BF3 has more back bonding character, but Lewis acidity is low. So why Lewis acidity is low mean acid character mean one who accepts the electron pair from other compound. In boron trifluoride, so the 2p orbital is vacant. Here also 2pz orbital is vacant. Due to high electronegativity of fluorine, it donates its lone pair to the fluorine atom. Hence, it accepts this electron pair from any one of the fluorine atom, not by other compound. That is other Lewis base. Hence, the acidity is very low in BF3 and it is very high in BI3. Then, what is the hybridization of BF3? BF3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization. Then, what is the bond order of BF3 1.33. I hope you like this video. Please share it. Thank you for watching.